Saban? Yap, tira na.
Yung pala yung kamala ko sa inyo.
Bongga.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm very chilled. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of this baby right here. I've been waiting for this package for for a long time. It's so small, but you wouldn't think it would give me problems. It was a long time coming, but here we are. Let me just open this for you guys and let's just see what's inside. We have the pop filter and then the stand. And we have, ooh, I hope it's not broken because I can see. Okay. Then we have the cable right here. Then we have this baby right here. This is what I've been waiting for. Ooh, okay. And then as you can see, it has the echo. This is the echo, and then this is the volume. And then I think this is the mic holder. Yeah.
So now I need to set up my microphone. Here I'm putting the pop filter onto the microphone. Here you can see. And I love this cable, guys. I think it's one of the reasons why I bought this mic, because it had a USB cable and it had the aux. So I didn't want that complication of the sound card. And here am I. Yay. And I'm just gonna screw it in there. And you turn it. I thought I had it all wrong, but I'm okay. Yes, there we are. Now I just need to clip on the microphone, and there we are. I love that it was very easy to set it up. It was very easy. And here you are. You have your BM microphone.
So this microphone, I got it from Banggood. It's a warehouse where they manufacture these appliances, and you can get anything you want from them. And I'm glad I saw this mic because it was on promotion at that time. So the price was actually $360. The actual price was $360, but it was on promotion and it was $250. It's so convenient. The shipping was $150 if I remember correctly, because it was a long time ago. I've just connected everything, so let's see how is the quality. So I just turn it on, the volume is right there, and then I just go on like that. Hi, hello, hi, what happened? Oh, it was not connected to my laptop. I thought it was gonna connect to my laptop for some reason, but I do have a speaker. So I'm gonna connect this to my laptop and the aux. This one I'm gonna connect to my speaker. Okay, let's see. Hello. Yeah? Yeah? Hello. Hello guys. So today we're gonna be doing so can you hear me? Hello. How are you? It's so typical of me to talk about. I must say this pop filter is working very well because I cannot hear the noise coming in. Let's do the echo. And I will always love you. Will always love you. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. So yeah, guys, if you want this microphone, do go get it because it is very convenient if you wanna save. And actually, when you are a beginner in YouTube, I feel like you shouldn't like spend a lot of money because you don't know whether it's gonna work out or not. So that's my advice to you guys. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please just subscribe if you are not yet part of the family, and let's do this thing guys.